Hi guys, how you doing? This is Sebastian from Tech Century and welcome to my very special first video in 2020. This is the unboxing and audio test of the Rode Anti-USB Mini. Now, you might know that I've used the regular Anti-USB here on the channel multiple times and I've also reviewed it, and this is the brand new mini version of it. So it features studio quality audio, headphone output, USB connectivity and a detachable magnetic stand, which already sounds good. But now it's time to take this out of the box. So, as you probably know, my review of the Anti-USB was very positive because it's one of my favorite microphones ever, and therefore I was very excited when Rode reached out and asked me if I wanted to review the new Anti-USB Mini. Before I get started with the full review in a couple of weeks, I thought that I would share this quick unboxing with you guys because I was just very excited about this microphone, not only to be launched, but then of course also to receive it in my mail. When we open the box, we see right here that we have a quick start guide, but I have to mention that I only showed you one side. There's actually also another printed side on there, but here it shows that we basically just have to take out the microphone out of the box, connect it with USB Type-C to USB Type-A to the computer, connect headphones for monitoring, and then we can record. On the other side, it just showed how you can mount this to a microphone arm. Here we then have the accessories that are in the box, which are very minimal because this is a very simple and easy to use product. We have the USB Type-A to USB Type-C cable. The Type-C port is on the microphone itself, so it should work with most computers, and I really like to see the future-proof USB Type-C port here on this microphone. And then we have this little adapter right here that's used to mount this microphone to a monitor arm if you don't want to use it with the included stand. Now, taking the microphone out of the box itself, it's a little bit fiddly, but it's well protected, which is always great to see. And it's just incredible how small this microphone really is, especially if you have the box and the microphone Anti-USB just in mind. It's probably 4 times the size, so it's great to have this audio quality in such a compact and small package. So here we see the microphone already pre-mounted on the stand, which is again magnetic. So you can just pull off the microphone from the stand if you want to connect it to a microphone arm. Here we see again everything that's in the box: the microphone, the stand, the adapter screw, as well as the USB cable. And here we see the back of the microphone that basically just consists of the USB Type-C port for connecting it to your computer and a 3.5mm headphone jack for monitoring your audio. If we then turn around the microphone, we'll take a look at the front, and then we see that we have basically just these small 2 indicator lights, as well as the volume knob that's used for controlling the volume of your audio monitoring. Everything that you hear in this video was recorded on the Anti-USB Mini, and I have to say I'm very impressed so far. I'll use this much more on my new channel Seek and Treasure, so make sure to check it out. I'll leave a link in the description and here up there in the info cards. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Let me know what you think of this microphone and the audio quality. You'll also find links to the product in the description below. Thanks for watching. See you next time.